Today I'm going to make Hasselback potatoes, and I'm going to be using a blend of dried spices and seasonings. I'm using a 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder, a salt-free onion and herb blend, dried rosemary, and dried thyme. I'm going to be adding that to 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now I'm just going to microwave this for about a minute or so. And once the butter's melted and it's warmed, I'm just going to let this set until I'm ready to use it. For the potatoes, I will be using 2 medium to large red potatoes. You could use russet. Sometimes I like to use golden Yukon, and yes, one is larger than the other. So I'm going to cut just a thin piece off the bottom of the potato to create a flat side. That'll be easier to cut. So I'm placing 2 wooden spoons on each side of the potato to prevent the knife from going all the way through. I'm going to be slicing this around 1/8 of an inch thick. Do the best you can. It's not perfect, but it'll work. And I'm going to sort of spread each slice apart and add the butter. I'm going to baste it with butter, and I'm going to also try to open up each slice and get butter in between each of the sliced potatoes. I'm going to add salt to each one and bake this in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour, or until they are crispy and tender on the inside. I'm going to garnish with fresh parsley, and I'm also going to baste it with some of the melted seasoned butter at the bottom of the pan, and these are ready. I'm going to serve this alongside golden chicken fried steaks. I will link the recipe for the chicken fried steak and the homemade cream gravy in the description below or somewhere throughout this video. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.